If you are interested in making money online in 2023 with minimal effort, imagine earning more than $400 just by watching ads. In this video, you can earn $1,900 by watching ads. The first website we want to introduce you to is called PTC Share. To get started, all you have to do is type PTC Share directly into the address bar of your web browser, and after that you can enter this site, a platform that goes beyond the standard pay-per-click concept, offers plenty of opportunities to earn rewards without any investment on your part. And the impressive user base from all over the world. What is even more remarkable is that the platform has dispersed over $580,000 to its users and has further highlighted its credibility. PTC also offers various types of streets, including well inspections and a range of other services. This website has a simplified cash-out method with a minimum daily withdrawal threshold, which ensures that you can access your earnings wherever you decide to do so, and do it effortlessly. This easy-to-review collection serves as proof of the website's reliable payment system. For a more detailed understanding, nothing that the website offers ease of payments in various forms, including the perfect digital currency payout. Every transaction made on their platform is carefully monitored to ensure that it ensures a high level of transparency and atmosphere of trust and accountability. The first step is to create an account, which you can do by visiting its homepage and scrolling down until you come across the Make Money Online section in minutes. By registering a cash promotion account, you will receive a welcome gift of 100 BAP or bonus promotion points in your account. These initial steps allows you to earn additional advertising cash. While you are waiting for these opportunities, it is recommended to boost your BAP by viewing ads from different advertisers. Increase your earnings. Simply click Join Us Now to start the process. This button will take you to the monetization page, where you can see an overview of how this website is monetized. Here you will also find information about the top people in the last 48 hours. BAP that qualifies you for paid ad distribution over time shows your value, and you'll get bigger ads because advertisers are more likely to target to maximize your revenue. And consider achievement points or APS, which can give you access to an exclusive section of the APS and number that showcase your activity and value for PTC Share. And you will be rewarded with extra cash ads sent to you. As mentioned earlier, you will get 100 BAP welcome bonus after joining PTC Share. To get started, click on the sign up button, where you will be asked to enter your username, password, email address, and by ticking the checkbox indicating your agreement to their terms of service, and click on the button to complete the creation of a bot account to confirmation that you are not a bot. After creating your account, a confirmation email will be sent to the address you used during registration. You will follow the instructions in the email to verify your account to login. Click on the login option in the upper right corner of your website. Enter your email address and password to access your account. After logging, you will receive a welcome and an overview of the important features of PTC sharing, and this page will specify your membership status and invites you to click the skip button to display your official dashboard, your balance, points, and other related information. Scroll down and you'll be presented with a list of activities and tasks showing pending and completed items. Click the earn button to start earning. This will take you to different ways to earn money on the platform, including reviewing ads. Explore offers walls, takes surveys, watch related videos, PTC wall, leads and referrals. The main focus is often on making money by viewing ads to access ads on wheels. Ads. Click to get access to sponsored ads, and every ad you see helps you earn more. You get more engaged, you can earn more, and you can also refer your friends and share your referral. Participate in passive income on social media and forums. This allows you to earn money through the efforts of others. By following these steps, you can quickly and effectively start generating income through this platform now. Repeat and earn $400 daily by sharing your links on various social media platforms and generate passive income that fills your account while you sleep.